Welcome to Uncommon Facts, your ultimate channel for exploring everything extraordinary. Are you ready to uncover truths and debunk myths across all realms of knowledge? From history's hidden stories to tomorrow's technology, from Earth's deep mysteries to cosmic enigmas, we dive deep into it all. Every week, we bring you facts that are as fascinating as they are rare. Dive into stories that will astonish, educate, and inspire. So make sure to subscribe and join us as we uncover the secrets of the unusual and the unknown. Here, every fact is a journey, and every story is an adventure. Join us every week as we bring you surprising revelations and strange facts that will challenge your understanding of the world around you. So hit that subscribe button, and let's start unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Remember, every discovery tells a story, and every fact opens a door. Stay curious and prepare to be amazed. This is Uncommon Facts, where the only thing you can expect is the unexpected. Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will explore some of the most fascinating and extreme survival strategies employed by animals in nature. These examples highlight the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. The natural world is filled with awe-inspiring creatures that have evolved unique and extreme survival strategies. From the deepest depths of the ocean to the most arid deserts, animals have adapted in extraordinary ways to ensure their survival. Some creatures hibernate for months, slowing their metabolism to a near standstill, while others engage in bizarre reproductive tactics to guarantee their lineage continues. These strategies allow them to cope with harsh environments, predation, and the complexities of reproduction. 1. The tardigrade, the ultimate survivor. If there were ever an award for the ultimate survivalist in the animal kingdom, the tardigrade, or water bear, would win hands down. These microscopic creatures, measuring about 0.5 millimeters, are virtually indestructible and have earned the title of extremophiles for their ability to survive in the most inhospitable environments. Tardigrades can enter a state called cryptobiosis, where they essentially dry out, losing almost all their water content and slowing down their metabolic processes to nearly zero. In this state, they can survive as the temperatures as low as 200 degrees Celsius and as high as 151 degrees Celsius. Total dehydration for decades, rehydrating and resuming life when exposed to water. Tardigrades have even survived the vacuum of space, radiation, and the lack of oxygen when sent into orbit by scientists. Their remarkable resilience comes from the unique proteins and sugars that protect their cells from damage during extreme conditions. 2. Arctic ground squirrels, the deepest hibernators. Many animals hibernate to survive the cold winter months, but few do so as effectively as the Arctic ground squirrel, whose hibernation strategy is nothing short of extraordinary. Arctic ground squirrels are found in the frozen tundras of Alaska and northern Canada. During winter, these squirrels enter a state of deep hibernation, reducing their body temperature to below the freezing point of water, as low as -2.9 degrees Celsius. Their ability to supercool without freezing solid is remarkable, and they remain in this state for up to 8 months without eating, drinking, or defecating. Their body slows down so much that their heartbeat and breathing rate drop to just a few beats or breaths per minute. Every few weeks, the squirrels briefly wake up and shiver to warm their bodies before dropping back into their frozen slumber. By the end of hibernation, they have lost nearly half of their body weight. This deep hibernation allows Arctic ground squirrels to survive the harshest winter conditions when food is scarce, making them the deepest hibernators known to science. 3. Axolotl, the regeneration wonder. The axolotl, a type of salamander found in Mexico, is one of nature's most remarkable creatures due to its astonishing ability to regenerate lost body parts, a survival strategy that sets it apart from most animals. While many animals can heal wounds, axolotls take regeneration to a whole new level. They can regrow entire limbs, including bones, muscles, blood vessels, and nerves, in just a few months. But it doesn't stop there. Axolotls can also regenerate their spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. And they can do this repeatedly throughout their life without any loss of function or scarring. Axolotls possess a unique set of cells called blastema that form at the site of an injury. These cells are like embryonic stem cells and can develop into any tissue the axolotl needs. Scientists are studying the axolotl's regeneration abilities in the hopes of unlocking similar capabilities in humans for medical purposes. This powerful regenerative ability allows axolotls to recover from injuries that would be fatal to other animals, making them one of the most resilient creatures on Earth. 4. Wood frog, the frozen amphibian. Imagine being frozen solid for months, only to thaw out and go about your life as if nothing happened. That's exactly what the wood frog does during the winter months in the forests of North America. The wood frog has evolved a survival strategy that allows it to freeze solid during the winter. As temperatures drop, the frog's body produces high levels of glucose, which acts like antifreeze, preventing ice crystals from forming in its cells. However, the water outside the cells freezes, and the frog's heart stops beating, and its metabolism grinds to a halt. The frog remains in this frozen state for weeks or even months. When the temperatures rise in the spring, the frog thaws out and resumes normal bodily functions, including its heart starting to beat again. This ability to freeze and thaw allows the wood frog to survive in regions where temperatures regularly plummet below freezing. 5. Suriname toad, the bizarre birthing process. Few reproductive strategies in the animal kingdom are as bizarre or unsettling as that of the Suriname toad, Pipa pipa, found in the slow-moving waters of South America. This toad's unique method of reproduction takes parental investment to a whole new level. After mating, the male Suriname toad fertilizes the female's eggs externally, but instead of laying her eggs in water, the female embeds them in the skin on her back, where they sink into protective pockets that form over time. The eggs develop within these pockets, and after several weeks, fully formed baby toads emerge, literally erupting from their mother's back. Once the young toads emerge, they drop into the water to begin their independent lives. This bizarre and somewhat gruesome reproductive strategy provides the eggs with protection from predators and environmental hazards during their most vulnerable stage of development. 6. The male anglerfish, the ultimate parasite partner. In the dark depths of the ocean, the anglerfish employs a survival strategy that involves one of the most bizarre reproductive relationships in nature. Specifically, the reproductive strategy of the male anglerfish is not only extreme, but also parasitic. In many anglerfish species, the female is much larger than the male, and finding a mate in the vast, dark ocean is no easy task. When a male anglerfish does encounter a female, he bites into her body and fuses with her, becoming a permanent part of her. The male loses his eyes, fins, and most of his internal organs, keeping only his reproductive organs intact. He essentially becomes a living sperm factory, permanently attached to the female's body. This fusion ensures that the female has a mate ready to fertilize her eggs whenever she is ready to reproduce. In some cases, a single female may have multiple males attached to her at once. This parasitic fusion strategy ensures that reproduction can occur without the need for the male and female to find each other repeatedly in the vast, dark ocean depths. 7. Emperor penguins. Extreme parental sacrifice. Few animals endure the level of hardship for the sake of their offspring as the emperor penguin. These penguins survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, Antarctica. Emperor penguins have evolved an extreme reproductive strategy where the male takes on a significant role in incubating the egg during the brutal Antarctic winter. After the female lays her egg, she leaves to feed at sea, leaving the male to care for the egg. The male balances the egg on his feet and covers it with a flap of skin to keep it warm. For about 2 months, the male fasts and endures freezing temperatures, fierce winds, and near total darkness. During this time, he can lose up to half his body weight. The males huddle together in large groups to conserve heat, rotating positions to ensure everyone stays warm. When the female returns from the sea, she feeds the newly hatched chick, and the male finally gets a chance to eat after months of fasting. 8. Cuttlefish, masters of camouflage. Cuttlefish are masters of survival through deception. These marine mollusks, related to octopuses and squids, have developed one of the most sophisticated camouflage systems in the animal kingdom. Cuttlefish have specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, which allow them to change color, texture, and even reflectivity in the blink of an eye. This camouflage ability helps them avoid predators, ambush prey, and even communicate with other cuttlefish. By expanding or contracting the chromatophores, cuttlefish can blend seamlessly into their surroundings, mimicking the color and texture of rocks, sand, or coral. They can also create hypnotic displays of flashing lights to disorient prey or warn off potential. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Uncommon Facts, a channel that is entertaining as well as informative, or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.